All right, so everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the NOAA level, otherwise known as level number 34 on the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we need to do when we enter any of these levels is to take a look at the mission.txt file. So this is mission 34, and the instructions say the password of Maya is surrounded by trash. So what does this mean? So there's this trash file in the directory over here. Let's try reading the trash file. So if anybody doesn't know, this is what is known as binary data, and binary data is not meant to be human readable. So if we take a look at the trash file and we run the file command on it, it says that the contents of the trash file is data. So that's what all this stuff is. This is known as data. So what we can do to extract strings, which is human readable text, from these kind of files is to use a command called strings. So human readable strings can be extracted from this file by using this command. So when we run this command by itself, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll run the command by itself, and these are all the human readable strings over here. So all of this stuff is what is actually human readable strings. And this is probably the password for the next level, except what we're going to do is we're going to run the strings command again, but we're going to specify that we only want strings that are at least 14 characters in length with this argument over here. This means that all of these really short strings are not going to be returned, and only strings that are at least 14 characters are going to be returned in the output over here. So let's run the command, and this looks like the password. Okay, so let's copy the password. And we will record it. So let's write a little after action report over at github.com. Edit the file. Okay, so let's make this a little bigger. So who is the target user for this level? The target user for this level is the my user, and the method of solve for this level, we need to extract human readable strings from a data file. And the key command for solving this level is this one right here. So it's just going to be strings at least 14 characters long for the trash file. Okay, so let's save this out. All right, so this was a guided walkthrough for the NOAA level, otherwise known as level number 34, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.